The Fosensor FS00210 sensor is a laser dust sensor based on the principle of optical scattering. The sensor has an ultra-thin design with 2 ears and is only 12 mm thick. At the same time, the sensor is fixed by screws and connected by wires, and the installation is simple and convenient. The sensor can simultaneously measure a variety of particulate matter concentrations such as PM2.5/PM1.0/PM10, with a measuring range of 0.3 micrometers to 10 micrometers and an effective measuring range of 0 to 1000 mg/M3. The range supports expansion. At the same time, support UART IIC DAC PWM and other output modes. Long service life can work more than 40,000 hours continuously. FS00210 laser dust sensor is widely used in home air purification equipment, new risk control system, vehicle air purification system, and many other scenarios. For more information, please contact us. Email fushan@fosen.com. WhatsApp +86 1783 833 5856.